Kani kadai gadudashin Meghalaya bat ngipidang sobhaya pi baro sya katup kubor jongi menta ke janmin. Haswa bangin pa sya ki kubor ki babriak ngenya pet shwa yakimat bakongsan. Nong ke jela Meghalaya arspa klor tingka ke kajna na kadau ke jingtut ke kayi pateng bat ke di Bangladesh bat ke jing petslam ban pentrekam ya ke jing tui dawyong da ke jing start sain. Persyang menteri rang ba ke jela ban ailat lang ya ki try dawyong bas hamret ban yo di dawyong. Temu ke soka Meghalaya ban play ya ke veterinary dairy bat fishery college ban penyar ya ke jingri ha ke jela. Layo ya ke jaka bahaya praspa akar hari boy bantai ya ke ni ke college. Penrem Menteri rang ba ke jela ukonrat ke sangma ya ke jing syakran ben ke Nongkhnum wai na Arunachal ha Delhi ong bakum ke ni ke jingja omla ban pediang ha ke inlang ke saklang. Kentat kat KHASI ba kadon ke jinglek shiliang ban sam ya ke skim bayo na ke 15th Finance Commission bentikna ke council ba barok kishnong kenyo skim haswa ka lai tarik ulber. Bat ke jingelang baningkong jong ke kenhun ki menteri ke sorka pedeng ha office trekam batemai menteri rang ba du kari ha sevatiat minjur ke kenhun ya ke kerteng keralam bat ya ke projek lentirel bat ka lingson ha Srinagar. Mentangin pai syaki kubor na keleng ke jela. Menteri rang ba ke jela ukonrat ki sangma ula ong ba ke jela Meghalaya kala du Nongkhnum arspa klor tingka ke kajna na ke benta ke jela na ke daw ke jingtut ha ke kayi pateng bat kari Bangladesh bat ke jing slam pentrekam ya ke jingti doyong katkum ke juk start sayan. Ula penpau ya ke jingkermen ke jingyok kajna jong ke jela kan sakio hadin balak sedang banti ya udoyong haki arputli ki krem doyong katkum ke juk start sayan. Ukonrat ulai ong ba kidang persyang ban yakren ban penret ya ki jingdon kam ki jaka na ka benta ban ti doyong kenang bakan yarap ya ki try pau doyong ki bakam red bat kala kerpat ru ya ka soka pedeng bat ya ka tenat Finance Commission of India ban penduna ya ka kajna ka bakta ya ka jela.
Commission also the same argument was made by the larger states saying that we contribute maximum to income tax, we contribute maximum to corporate tax, and yet we get lesser or even not even 30% of the amount that we contribute, like for example a state like Maharashtra. So this logic was put in forward in front of the Finance Commission. So Finance Commission took the decision that they're going to introduce a new factor this time, and that factor was contribution to GDP. So the higher contribution you make towards GDP, the more income tax share you will or more devolution or share of taxes you will get. Now, obviously, when this factor comes in, then obviously states like ours, which don't contribute so much to the national GDP, suffer. So, like us, there were 14 states in the entire country that suffered, I should say, because of the new formula that came in. As I said, the factor was changed, added, the GDP factor was added to this. And this is the formula that was given. Based on that formula, as I said, there is we are losing some amount of money compared to last Finance Commission. So that is the fact. We have taken this matter up at the Finance Ministry level. I met Madam Finance Minister, and other states also have done the same, those who are affected. So we are hopeful that there will be some corrective measure that will be taken. Formula cannot change because that's already accepted by Parliament, but some other way in which smaller states, because all the northeast smaller states are suffering.
Menteri rang ba ke jela ukonrat ki sangma ula pentep hakmat ke yeng dorbal thau an ke jela ba ke jingtmu banseng ya ke veterinary ke dairy bat ke fishery college ha ke jela Meghalaya ke dangdon ha pedeng ke jing penkre ha ke ba menta ki dang penbiang ya ke kaipot ke ba benia halor ke ni ke projek Ulaong balak dep banjiet ya ka jaka ka ba praspa akar ha kedem kulai ribhoi bantei ya ka veterinary college ha ka jinglot jingsap ka ba laispa laipusau klor tingka ka sarkar kala pentiknaru ba kantrei shitom banseng ya ki jaka ai jinghikai khnang banla ban penklain bat penya shushu ya ki jingri ha ka jilla
which we have to look at. And therefore, the process of identification of land and making the land available and also working into the different aspects of the manpower requirement and also the entire process of planning a particular college. So it does take time. Does it necessarily take 3 to 4 years? Not normally, sir. But as I said, we have 3 colleges that we are trying to target at the same time. And therefore, the process took much longer than we had expected. Just to give an idea to the House also that apart from the fact that there are 3 colleges that we are targeting, we also have got concerns because the financial requirement is quite large. So, for example, the requirement for the veterinary college alone is about 334 crores that we'll require. Land, of course, has been identified. We have about 800 acres of land, which we have identified for this. And this is, just so that the House is aware, this is in Kirdam Kulai area, in Umsning block, in Ribhoi, is where the land has been identified. And also, sir, there are a huge requirement of manpower is also there. There are 19 departments that are proposed that will be there. So all of this does require time, sir.
Usimbot Menteri Rangba ka jilla uba Preston Tensong menta kasngi ula pentip hakmat ka yeng dorba tauan ka jilla ba ka surok ka bajrong kumba rius pa mitar na thembasuk sha maushbut ka hap hapo ki jaka ki shipai ba ki donru ya ki kot ki slaban pen shisha habo jubab halor ka jingkeli bala bu da UMLA ka VPP na maureng keneng uba Stone Karpran ha ka kinta keli jingkeli uba Preston ula ong ba katanat shipai kala pentikna ba kanom penwet ya kalek kawan jongki kali sya kasnong maushbut uni menteri ula benrap ru ba ka jinglet jurep bat ka jingelang hapdeng ki he shipai bat ki he sarkar ka jilla kadang ya chakmat ban penwet ya ki jingya kaja halor ka kendo bat ka jingke jongki shipai bat ya barok ki kot kisla an sawanra hakmat ka yeng khnang bakan long ka basyai bat ka bakhut basuba.
Yes, sir. In fact, this issue, as I've already replied, it's being taken up from time to time in the level of the district administration and also in the level of our chief engineer. Both sides, be it from the village authority as well as be it from the defense authority. Sir, I think just to mention here, since I've already replied also the supplementary question raised by the honorable mover of this question, that land document can be placed on the table of the House. I think we don't need to debate much. And I've replied that yes, this land document will be placed in the table of the House, and once the land document is placed, I'm very sure clarity will come out of it. So, sir, as I just mentioned yesterday, we had a meeting, a very good meeting, very productive meeting under the chairmanship of Honorable Chief Minister. That's why I replied that I think very soon we will come out.
Menteri Bakmi ia katanat boarding uba medba lingdo ula pentip hakmat ka yeng dorbar tauan ka jilla ba ka jing penrungkam ya ki traishnong ha ki Hydropower project kan long kat kum ka jing ya soi soskular bat ki long yeng ki basyak ta na ka jing pentre ya ki ne ki project ulayat hu ba ka jing penrungkam na ka benta ka grade C bat grade D ha ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited an aishwa ya ki traishnong kat ba ya ki weipat ki kedan an penrungkam kat kum ka reservation policy jong ka jilla kat ba nakaliang Menteri rang ba kajela ukonrat ke sangma ulaong ba kat kum ka Industrial and Investment Promotion Policy arajar apusau kendai pau na kasispa ki kam na kabenta ki kerdan non managerial kenlong na kabenta ki traishnong kat ba san pau na kasispa ki kam ha ki kerdan managerial untep da ki traishnong bat benrap bru ba ka sarkar kan pentikna ba ki trai jaka bat ki longyeng ki basyakta ha ka jing pentre ya ki project ken yo ya ka hok.
The corporation, when it comes to the monitoring mechanism which are established by project authority, state administration during the implementation and operation of hydropower projects to oversee the monitoring and evaluation of the rehabilitation and resettlement plan. So the mechanism focused primarily on land acquisition processes and socio-economic well-being of project-affected families. The framework includes both internal and external oversight to ensure effective implementation and compliance with statutory requirements.
Number one, sir, the honourable member has asked that once we outsource the lower categories of the jobs that are there, will it affect the commitments that are made in terms of the commitments given to the people, the landowners? So, sir, the answer for that is no, sir, it will not impact. Normally, the outsourcing that is done at the MECL level for works that are more of security nature or day-to-day administrative, lower administrative and office work that is there. So I just wanted to clear that even when it comes to the projects of the power projects that are there, we are adhering to these aspects. There is a special rule that we have, and the laws are there to ensure that we implement them, including our own law that we had come out with the power policy that we have, which also reiterates this aspect. And the specific reply that what happens, when when the works are outsourced. As I said, sir, these are not outsourced for the project. The project is the works in the project are not outsourced. Outsourced are normally at the MECL level, internally the administration level, and normally for jobs like security and all, in which also most of the individuals who are working in the agencies that are involved are all local agencies mostly, sir. And most of the jobs in that also is given to our local boys and girls, sir.
Menteri rang ba kajela ukonrat ke sangma ula penrem jur halor ke jingsha kren ben jang kawei ke Nongkhnum na Arunachal Pradesh ha Malviya Nagar ula ong ba ki kintien ba penen kam ban kren ya kani ke Nongkhnum kalong ka bom la ban pediang bat ke bas ngosi Menteri rang ba kajela ula banjur badan kam ban ai pen sngu thu pat ba bat kintu ya ki brio bakin yang telilang ban Krishan ya kani ka lanot ka basha kren ben Ukonrat ula penslur badai banyakren da ke bas ngotu ban penan kam da ki tien ki bakhor.
It's really, as I said, it was very sad, and I must say very, very unacceptable how it was, how the way it was put, and the way the language was used, the way the words were used, is completely unacceptable. And in this point, as a state, as a region, as a country, as we are working towards moving forward together, these kind of statements and this kind of behavior only puts us back, 2 steps. We realize that in a diverse nation like India, we need to respect each other, and so therefore there is no excuse for that. And that happens, and that is something for us also to understand, that within our society also we need to practice the same thing, and as I say, we need to practice what we preach. So therefore we all have to do it. This has to be a universal thing where people and citizens, whether it's from the rest of the country or from the northeast region or from wherever it is, without showing respect and without giving dignity to others, there is no way that we'll be able to see our country progressing in the way that we all would like to see.
Menteri Bakhmi ia katanat kakot kakia uba wailat miki shela mentah kasni ula pentip hakmat ke yeng dorbau tau an ke jela ba ke jingduna ki doktor khamtam ki anesthesiologist kalak ta ya ke rukom ai jing syakri ke bhai bari community health center ula ong ba ke jingdon ki nongpang kala nangkiu ha ke ba ki bawan shim dawai ki lakiu na ka lai pau hajar ngut ha usnem arajar apply apsau syaka san phuwe hajar ngut ha usnem arajar apsan apun riu ha bejebab halor ke jingkli balabu da UMLA ke TMC na Raja Bala u Mizanur Rahman Kazi Uni Menteri Ulaong ba ka jing penbiang ya ki jaka ban sumar ya ki ba armet bat ki kelong kadang ya syakmat Henry ka jing pen rungkam ya ki doktor specialist kadang sa ula pentikna ru ba ka sorkar kan sa eksamen halor ka jing terwa ban pendenkam ya ka ying PHC barim kenang ba kan kampen bah ya ka rukam ai jing syakri bat ban pensuk ya ki nongpang.
Regarding the deployment of this gynecologist to Tura MCH, sir, it's due to the non-operationalize of the OT, sir, because of the non-availability of the anesthesiologist, sir. Rightly mentioned, sir, by the honourable member, right now, sir, we have there are shortage of doctors at the moment, especially in terms of specialists, sir. Just to inform the House, sir, that in the whole state, we have only 4 anesthesiologists, which is really very less, sir. But from the department, sir, we have tried the recruitment from the MMSRB, and just to inform again to the House that we have got the sanction from the finance department that very soon we are going to recruit more on contractual basis, sir. Sir, it is the endeavor of the government to make all CHC as FRU. But like I already mentioned, sir, the problem here is with the specialists. Due to the shortage of specialists, that's why we couldn't make the present CHC as FRU. But the request from the honourable member is duly noted. And sir, like I already mentioned, that as soon as we get the specialists in place, so we'll definitely make the CIC as FRU, sir.
Ka Executive Committee Balayalam da kaseng VPP ha KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council kala kentat halor ka jingkeno ba ka don ka jing sya shiliang ha ka bansam ya ka scheme balayo na ka 15th Finance Commission. U Executive Member uba Powell Soklet u laong ba lapha ya ka jingterwa syabaro ki MDC ha ka balayo hadu kumba arhaja saus pateli ke projek ki basyangdor palat ya ka sanpun riu klur tingka. Ula ai daw ba ka jing penslam ka day na ka daw jong ka audit bat ka jing hap ban penyat ling ba ka portal ha ka ba ula ong ba ki don setang alprasau teli ki kam ki badang sa ban siaw ya ka bel syaki kontraktor ka council kan pentik naru ba baro ki shnong ki day ban yo ya ki skim penroy hashwa ban kut ka life waitering ulber menta usnem
te hadir bangila kut kena kapor bangin pan ya ki jikterwan di MBC nilayo hadu kumba arajar sospa san penyoteli mo arajar sospa san penyoteli scheme kemumut ki balapha la ki jong ki Johnson si ngar ngalapha ki la ki Johnson si ki ha kemumut kini ki arajar sospa anyo san penyoteli ki ba kentup akan tait ki don kumba syajar sospa san pada kan ni ka agak antai pat nila pendrong syajar aku atlet ski rombot kentup ik football kita ke mana football kita kasat jangan bolong kita but ya baru kini scheme ya upload akan taka portal jongka Ministry of Panchayati Raj ke bagi angka igram swaraj kamu rahmat pendrong jongka lengkadam laga jong jongka lain khra laga jong jongka mairang laga jong bakam tata lagi jong ki constituency but kini ka 15 Finance Commission kan kutno akan live potret umat yang urusan ajar pendiri. Tingem tip la kasokar India karang menjur yang ni kiskin. Nama apa por ka tibet. Karena ni dong kejengkerman bang la ban upload ka portal ni dong kejengkerman ba gila ban pentreka ni kiskin dan deka kasokar India la akan menjur. Apa jang ulai poitring match kamu gila ban pentreka ni kiskin.
KHASI Department jong ke Shillong College kalau penlong ya ke program bakerpang balatip kum ka tien nong mei salonsar kum ka dak bandrakhe ya ke International Mother Language Day hapok ke auditorium jong ke college. Haba ai jingkren ha kani ke program unong syakhot songobha ban ai jingkren u Dr. A.W. Rani ula banjur ba ka jing pendankam ya ke tien KHASI da ki samla ka long ka bakongsan na ka benta ban penne pensa. Ha kaba ulaong bawala ya kaktin KHASI layo jing itu kum ka Associate Official Language House nem Arajasan Henry hadu menta ka sorkar kampat pendan kampura ya ka. Kumju ke Dr. B. Kriam kalau ong bakum kini ke jing sedangkan play ya ka rinsan na ke benta kisamla puli banya don benta bat kaktin KHASI bat ban penklan ya ka. Ha kani kesngi lapin ko buram ru ya kisamla puli ki bahap po ke batch arajar apuar hadu arajar opsan ha ke ba kasamla Latisha yaupnyau kala yo pediang ya ka kusnam KHASI Language Award.
Kitu ki kintin ki baong im kaktin im kajai benreu. Mentapat ngai kumba im kajai benreu janyak kaktin. Kon kapapung no ni. Kadai kapor ni ya kabangin jurit bangin tokit bat bangin sorjomen ni laga jong kaktin bat laga jong gajak pendriu hakabedi bat laga kaktin. Nama kata daw ka jing pelong ya ke program ke bukum kani kalong ke badai por. Hang tham tam e ban khot iki kun samla bangin ya sulok lang bangin ya pai syakmat bangin pek bangin theri ki jing e ka bangin kendu ka jing ya denji kum ka jan benreu bat bangin san durpat ya kalawai ka jomi
ni ka nong mei salansar kum bala pen bana da ka UNESCO balai la pen bana ya kini kesni kum kesni jo ka ktien nong mei salansar ka thong hi ka long man pen sam priya man pen kentiu ya ki jak ktien bat ki culture ba pher ki badon shitlup ka pathe kini kesni yang laban ong yupi hak ni kapor kapan kan mau ya pi kapan kan mau yang baka ketien kadai kamdai tang badan haka ya kita ketien. Language is not merely words. Henry kadai hi kata kajinglong kabakerpang kabangi penisi way. It is identity. Kadai ru kajingyo pateng heritage but hakan dai kini ketien kabangi keren. Kadon ru kata kajinglong try dan a sense of belongingness.
Haba pentrekam ya ka hukum jong ka National Green Tribunal ka Joint Committee ka lalej banjurip ya ka wa mentdu hadien bakalayo ya ka kaipot bakadon ka jingpin julor ya ka mariang na ka daw ka jingshna ya ka surok bypass jowai ka bahap ha West Giantia Hills. Hakani ka jinglet jurip balayalam da ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board lalap ya ka jingpin tu tendo syaki wa ha ki babon ki jaka. Nakaliang ki he officer kila btha ya ki kontraktor ba ya katanat Public Works Department bahkan pinkut mardor ya ki kendo bat bantei da ki kendro banyada ya ka jingtua. Kani ka jinglet jurip kalong hadien ka jingmudoi da ka kinhun nasionong bapet ya ka mariang. Ya ka kaipot halor ka jing tokit an sapha sha ka NGT hashwa ban penlong biang ya ka jing bishar ha ka khatwai tarik ulber.
Kuya pinni wani chini hajuai hakawo one inspection and is sentiat ya ka wa mentedu kini am ka jing ito ko sumo to case ko file do ma krolam san ki pariat ito ko wa mentedu kini to ko il ni original application 1271/24 ko order dated to sotarik banawar ar phangru dan newar ada am langi kat kam ke direction ng NGT tadalay inspect ikam yu ipindi na do nan bypass tami hadu hindi penkut di ni kata ka jengmut iwa ka next hearing em ka khatbi tarik yangu banawawan banai mas tegini komiti ke duty yang ka to u pet ke yi ka ma deble ko pengko yu kontraktor ba menswada em ka case wa to yegani ko wa R1 ke yi dawle ki por ke dawan te yi ke pollution bo de thung ikam kindo dal department tengah mana kamu members ke pollution dan mana nodal officer atau oversee kani compliance tidak file report ang hachwa wa kata date of hearing tikon kita kikam go to oleh wa pengko tidau i suggestion i lene ke jingmut NGT ke committee yang i
Kejaka Smart Khmat Kabansara Eye Care Center mentakasngi kala penlong ya ke program penbena patba ha Utirat Singh Memorial Hall ha pendeng umroi Mairang ha kaba kala ai jing itu ya ki santeli kishnong ha Eastern West KHASI Hills kum kishnong ki balat na ka jingdon ki bamala na ka daw jong ka jing bom sumar lani ka avoidable blindness free. Kani ka jing penmena kalong hadin ba kani ka jaka ai jing sumar kala penlong ya ka jing le jurip ya baro saphnyo teli kishnong ki bahap hapo kani ka district. Kinong tray kani ka jaka ai jing sumar kila ong ba kila sam ya ki signboard sya kishnong ban penpau halor ka jing job ka jongki. Kani ka jaka ai jing sumar kala penpau ba kanang yai tray shitom shushu ban penlong ya ka jing le screening ka jing pensngo thu pal ba bat ka jing ai jing sumar kanang ban pentikna ba ki briu ki badon jing shitom hakikman bat ki badangla ban sumar habaro ka we ka jela Meghalaya ken lai na ka jing matla.
Program hanya for Eastern West District. New York memperkenai dengan santri kisnong, mungkin kisnong kebalat di mat balak malam sini mana. New York menai dengan signboard mentara sini dengan santri kisnong. Agar bagi latho, kata avoidable blindness free village. Kajing New York mendeklarasi dengan kisnong kalau umba kajing net survey juni, akan yang district Eastern West District. Umba soknya tu kisnong New York berlek dengan survey. Banaknya soknya tu kisnong New York mendeklarasi mentara sini santri. Hari ini kisnong Kisni ki bersawan ini saya nakam muncul suatu negara avoidable blindness free village negara district Eastern West District ke tanpa kerja.
Ka Interstate Youth Exchange Program basan sngi habreng ka jela Meghalaya bat ka jela Mizoram kala kutno ha nong ba Shillong da ka ba penlong ya ka program ba khadu ha youth hostel ha kani ka program lawan ya shimbenta da ki lai phinyo ngot ki samla na ka jela Mizoram ha ka ba ki lai shimbenta ha ki program tenrai ki presentation bat ka jingle jingo ya ki jaka ba paunam ha keleng ka jela Meghalaya. Kathong jong kani ka program bala penlong da ka Mai Bharat hapo jong ka Tanat Sports and Youth Affairs kalong ban pinyar ya ka jing song thu ahlor ka culture bat ban te song ya ka jing teli hapo kari. Kilai punyo ngut ki basha jit na ka jela Meghalaya ken sa le jingo ya ka jela Mizoram ha ubnai leber kum shibenta jong ka jing le jingo mar kelyang. Kipulut Anti-Narcotics Task Force Jong Jela Meghalaya kila let ban khenra ya ka we ka long yeng ha lower rinja Shillong ha ka ba kila yo kurup ar spotlight pnyo gram udrok heroin bat ar hajar teli ki dawai kuli nitrazepam ki bakshong dor hadu kumba san pesan lak tingka ha ka ni ga jinglet khenra ki pulit kala yo ru ban kurup ya ka pisa ka ba ar pnyo hajar lai spa tingka Usuba Nongkhnum drok bahakmat urahul chetri ulalat pet na kani ka jingja kat ba arngut ki wepat ki briu la yo ban kem ki pulet ki don ka jing suba ba ka don ka jing penpoi yo udrok na ki wepat ki jela bat ki jing toket kadang ya shakman. Kumban rius pangut ki samla wat kam wat jam kilaya shimbenta ha ka program tap kam kabala penlong da ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society ha Ampati Southwest Garo Hills u Deputy Commissioner ka Southwest Garo Hills u Anandia Rajshri ula ong ba kani ka sinjam kan penyaso ya ki samla bat ki nong ai kam ai jam ban garden play lat ban penyo kam hapo ka jela shabar ka jela bat shabar ri ru kumjo ki he sarkar ki lakdo ba ka jingbun ki bawan ban shimenta ha kani ka program ka pen I ya ka jingdawa ka bajur halor kalat wat kam wat jam kat ba ka sarkar kadang beteng ya ki jing persyang ban pen scam ya ki lat ki lenti bat ban wanra ya ka roy ka par ka bakin thop lang.
Here we'll come up with a new skill training plan. The skill development officer is also here. Everyone knows. Every one of you knows her, so get in touch with her or the training partners that are there and get skilled in many more trades as possible so that you can increase your chances. And if you are already trained in some, if you are already skilled in some trade, then I would say ki go to the advanced level so that you become very important for
Kawa Nongkhnum, West KHASI Hills, kabalayo nam kum kadaulenong kabawan baar, kajinghe ha kadauba Asia, kala saki ya kajingher ha kakam jingok kai perthei na kadau kajing sniu palat jong ki surok, bat kajingjur kajing jabo. Kajing berat pathari ki jabo jaban bat ya ki plastik kabala pin sniu dor ya ki saudong sokun jong kani kadau lenong ha kaju kapor kajing sniu palat jong ka surok kala pin salia ya ki nong jengok kai ban lej sya kani kajaka bat kani kala kta ya ka kamai kaji jong ki nong shong shnong ki trai shnong kila pin pau ya ka jing sokya halor kajing bom le ai ki bor badai pet bat kintu ban maramot no mandor ya ka surok bat ban wanra ya ka rukom bret jabo ka ba paka
mawan kai hami namar ba ngabana ka deka daulen nong ka ba kenat ha ko ai ka ikenat sya tang batang ka we ka ba pensusi kalong ba kibre ki bon hange ki wan bam khana ki wan kai ki la shbret pathari ki plastik ki bilor tang kata ka we ka ba pensusi inre ka jaka kalong ka ba ikenat ba hamde tang ni apa MEGHALAYA inre ka la pau ru baro ka we ka Asia ti terpat iki bawan kai mau bagi memberet nyuk pathar ki bawan bam khanaru ki memberet pathar kini namar kapen i apa kapen i namar kapen i jabok no ya kamariam ya kanika jaka pet ki asyat ya tiuru ki sia berat be ini ka jaka adalah adat bikin nyatan ki bilor tinggalin jaka andre ki sia berat pathar kini
Mentangnya pai syaki kubor na keleng katan syatei lamingi. Ban kentiu ya ka digital bat kilat bay pisa ha Assam. Menteri rangba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ula play ya ka HDFC Bank Stack bat ya ka digital factory. Da ka baong ba kani kalong katkum ka soskular memorandum of understanding ba layasoi ha ka jingelang jong ka advantage Assam 2.0. Ula banjur ba ka sorkar kadang yai bodien ban pen urlong ya ki jingkular ha ka jingelang jong ka investment summit.
After a month, we had advantage of Assam 2.0 and HDFC Bank signed with us to set up this tech digital factory. And after that, Chief Secretary was reporting me that bank is making progress and it will happen. Today, exactly 1 year after the advantage of Assam 2.0 and that remarkable breakfast meeting, today we are in a position to inaugurate, dedicate the tech and digital factory. I have personally
Mentangnya pai syaki kubor na keleng kari. Kajingelang beningkong jong kakenhon menteri ka sorkar pedeng la penlong menta kasni ha ka office bathamai jong menteri rang badu kari ka seva tiat ha ka ba la penya da menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi menteri ka sorkar pedeng Ashwini Vaishnaw ula ong ba kani ka office bathamai ka penpau ya ka jingthmu jong ka India na ka benta ka jing shakri ya ki patba jong kari ha kani ka jingelang ka kenhon menteri kala minjur ya ka jingterwa ban penkela kerteng ya ka Kerala sya ka Keralam shushu la minjur ru ya laiteli ki projek lintirel ka bakot kumba khandai hajar nyo poar klur tingka bat la mang pisa khandus pa nyo punyo klur tingka na ka benta ka jingpenhe ya ka civil enclave ha Srinagar International Airport.
कैबिनेट ने जो महत्वपूर्ण फैसले लिए आज उसमें सबसे पहला फैसला लिया है केरला का नाम परिवर्तन करके केरलम। दूसरा गोंदिया से जबलपुर रेलवे लाइन को डबल करने का। तीसरा बिहार में पुनरक से क्यूल 3rd और 4th लाइन रेलवे की। चौथा घमरिया से चांदिल झारखंड में है 3rd और 4th लाइन। फिर
Mentangnya pai syaki kubor na keleng ka perthai. Kaplim Manipur kaba kerteng kabung kaba la penwandur da ka Lakshmi Priya Devi bat kaba la penmi da Uritesh Sidwani bat Ufarhan Akhtar kalayo ya ka kusnam Best Children's and Family Film ha ka BAFTA Awards kaba Nyob Khandai ha London kani kadai ka film Manipur ka Ningkong bat ka film ka Ningkong na India banyo ya kani kanam ka balalong kum umau jam ba kongsan na ka binta ka kam film ha ka than Menteri rang ba du kari Narendra Modi ula ai khublei ya ka kinhon da ka ba ong ba ka dei ka jingsngo sarong na ka binta ka Manipur ba ka jingpin itu ya ka sapshna film jong ka India. Mentangnya pai Shaki Kubor ya lekai. Unong mare na Meghalaya u okit langs imli ulayo ya kekerdan kabalai ha kajingyakop mare kishenrang ki bahap deng karta laipesan hadu saupusan snem ha kajingcingai ka bash 4 kilometer ha ka limpong Sikkim Dragon Run 1.0 kaba lalong ha Temiti Garden ya kani ka limpong mare ka Baningkong la penlong da ka third IRBN Mangli hapo ka Sikkim Police ba la kawe lama Hamadan Lamatiar ha kaba la yoi ya ka jingye shementa na keleng ke jela bat na shabar ubas imli uba shakri ha Meghalaya Police kham hashwa ula mikmat ya ka jela ha ka jingye ko baper ha kari ka bakintop ya ka National Cross Country Championship bat ki we ki jingye ko Kakinhon ki Henry Ngot ki khwat jong ka Nehru Institute of Mountaineering bat ka Jawahar Institute of Mountaineering and Winter Sports ki lala bankiu shakliar jong ulumba akan kagwa ha Argentina ya kani ka jinglet kiu la kawe lama da Urajnath Singh ha ka basdang jong uni ubnai katanat ya dari kalaong ba kani ka jing job ka penpau ya ka jingkiu jong kari hakikam kiu lom ha ka perthai bat kum juru ya ki rukom hikai kiu lom ki babiang jong ki jaka ai jing hikai ki ba kham pau jong kani kari ulum akan kagwa udai ulum ubajrong tam ha South America bat long baar ha ka perthai shabar jong ka dau ba Asia Timen tapat nganyapet ya ka jinglong jingman kasun beneng ha keleng ka benta jong ka jela. Hatura ka jing kreat kalong kan Rio degree Celsius ba ka jing shet kalong arpnyo degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka haw kalong lai phau na ka shispa. Haba pai pat ha kanong ba shillong ka jing kreat kalong kharwei degree Celsius ba ka jing shet kalong arpwei degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka haw kalong anripwei na ka shispa. Kat ba hajo wai ka jing kreat kalong kharwei degree Celsius ba ka jing shet kalong arpwei degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka haw kalong lai phupra na ka shispa. Kasun beneng kan syai hatura shillong bat juwai. Shwaban poi sya ka bakut jong ka thup kubor ngenya pet biang sasisian ya kimat bakongsan. Du no kenjela Meghalaya aspa klur tingka ka khajna na kadau ka jingthut ka khayi pateng bat kari Bangladesh bat ka jing Islam ban pintrei kam ya ka jingti doyong da ka jing stat sayan. Persyang Menteri rang ba ka jela ban ailat lang ya ki trai doyong ba khamret ban yo ti doyong. Temu kasoka Meghalaya ban play ya ka Veterinary Dairy bat Fishery College ban pinyar ya ki jingri ha ka jela layo ya ka jaka ba he praspa akar haribhoi ban te ya ka ni ka college. Pendrem Menteri rang ba ka jela ukonrat ki sangma ya ka jingsha krenben ka Nongkhnum na Arunachal ha Delhi ong bakum ka ni ka jingja omla ban pdiang ha ka imlang ka salang. Kintat ka KHADC ba ka don ka jingle siliang bansam ya ka scheme bayo na ka 15th Finance Commission pentikna ka council ba baro kishnong kinyo scheme haswa ka laipoy tarik u leber. Bat ka jingelang Kaban Ningkong Jong Kakin Hun ki Menteri Kesoka Pedeng ke Office Trekam Batimai Menteri Rang Badu Kari Hasivatiat menjur ka Kin Hun ya ke Kerteng Kerilam bat ya ke projek Lentirel bat kat Limson Hasri Nagar. Ti parlok kat tu ngilapoi sya ka bakut jong katuk kubor mentaga janmit hadu bangin daya syembiang bat pi la syai kesngi ha kapor hinyo beji janmit kublai ya pi baro.